Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Hartman here again. I'm so excited because yesterday in math we were learning about making equal groups, but today we get to figure out if our group is greater than, less than, or equal to. So we're going to do a couple activities today. The first activity is we're going to need those objects from yesterday. Yesterday we had some pennies, and we also used some paper clips yesterday. So I'm going to take that group of paper clips and put them out. Now you notice they're kind of in a scattered space. They're not lined up. It's pretty tough to count all of these pennies right away, or these paper clips especially, because they're all on top of each other. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to practice the strategy of one-to-one matching. Okay? Can you say that? One-to-one matching. So we're going to take one item from over here, and we're going to put it out, and then we're going to match it up with one item from over here, okay? And you can take your groups at home, and you can do the same thing as Miss Hartman. First, let's watch and see. I wonder which group has more or less, or who knows, maybe they're even equal to one another. Let's see. Do you want to make a guess before we go on? I'm going to guess that it looks like the pennies. It just looks like a bigger group. I think, it's a bigger scattered amount here, it looks like. So I'm going to say that there's more pennies than there are paper clips. That's what my guess is. What's your guess? Oh, well, let's see if you're right. So I'm going to put out a penny and put out a paper clip, and I'm going to match them up 1 to 1. Maybe I'll turn it sideways so I can fit them all and I can see them really matched up. Oh, that's much easier for me to see with my eye. Well, there's that big paper clip again. Does it matter? No, it doesn't matter that it's bigger or smaller. It just matters that it still counts as one. So far, these look like they are equal groups, but I have to keep on accounting for these sides. Let me match them up. Match up one from over here. Oh, look what happened. What is left? One more paper clip is left. That means that there were more paper clips than there were pennies, because I don't have a penny to match up with this one. How many more paper clips did I have than pennies? That's right, I had one more. I wonder how many I have here. Maybe I can find out how many more paper clips I had. Let's count the groups that are matched up. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 matches, but then there's one more. What's 10 plus one more? That's right, kindergarten, it's 11. So I actually had 11 paper clips, but I only had 10 pennies. So if I want to gather my paper clips together and move my pennies back over into my group, if I remember those numbers, let me take my marker so I don't forget. I'm going to write that down. I had 10 pennies and I had 11 paper clips. So this is going to be fun because I was thinking the other day Miss Hartman likes to use pipe cleaners. And I was thinking if you have a pipe cleaner at home, you can go ahead and ask your family if you could take a scissor and your pipe cleaner, and you can take your pipe cleaner and right about in the center, you can cut your pipe cleaner in half. Okay, and then you can take your pipe cleaner and you can actually bend it right in the middle. Whoa! I turned it into an alligator chomper. Rah, rah, rah. Oh, look at that! He's trying to eat all the objects. Remember, when you see the greater sign, it looks like this, and the wide part of the alligator mouth is always facing the bigger number. Okay? So if I go like this and I put my greater than symbol out, let's see if the greater than symbol is pointing towards the right number. It's going to eat the bigger number. So take a look at these two numbers. 10, 11. Which one is the bigger number? Which one is greater than? That's right, 11. 11 is greater than 10. It's the bigger number. So the big alligator mouth should be facing the big number. Is it? Yes, it is. Rah, rah, rah. The alligator is eating up the number 11. 11 is greater than 10. We're going to play it one more time, but this time I think we're going to use some other materials. Let me go ahead and erase my board. I'm going to move all my objects off my board. Woo! I love sliding math objects around. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my pipe cleaner, and I have my greater than symbol. But did you know, do you see that little skinny part here? That's the less than side. So the greater number goes here, but the less than number goes here. So we can use this symbol. But look what I'm left with. I have this one pipe cleaner left. And I'm going to, again, take my scissor, and right in the middle, I'm going to cut it. Make sure you ask your family to help you so you don't hurt yourself with the scissor, okay? Oh, I cut it in half. Do you know what this symbol is called? Do you remember? That's right. This is called equal. That's my equal symbol. So we're going to play a game, and we're going to use these two materials to help us to decide if my cards, oh, I have a deck of cards here. Ooh, if my cards are greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay? So I've got my two symbols. I'm going to put them right out like this. And you can do this at home too. All you need is a pipe cleaner and some cards. So if you want to gather those materials and try this, please do. It's going to help you learn your math so much better. I'm going to take one card and turn it over. Oh, I got a 2. I'm going to turn my other one over. Oh, that's my lucky number. Oh, it must be my lucky day. I have an 8, and I'm going to put my 8 down over here. Now, right away, I want to first think about, are these numbers equal to each other? Are they the same? No, they're different. So we're not going to use the equal symbol. I'm going to move that away. So I have to figure out if my greater than, less than sign should go this way, or should it go this way? Remember, the alligator likes to eat the biggest number. I want to eat a number 2. Wait a minute. Is there any bigger number around here? Let's turn it around and say, I'm going to eat the number 8. That's more. So I know the 8 is greater than the 2. So this is the way my symbol should stay. The big alligator mouth is about to eat the larger number. And this one is less than. So 2 is less than 8, but 8 is greater than 2. Let's try one more. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. I'm mixing them up. I'm gonna mix them up. I'm gonna mix them up. I wonder which one will land on top. All right, I have no idea what's to come. Let's find out. Ooh, I got a number 6. I want to make sure I cover up my other cards so I can really clearly see my number. Okay, before I go on, let's take a look at these two. 6 and 8. Is 8, look, the alligator mouth is facing the 8. Is 8 still greater than 6? Is the symbol going the right direction? What do you think? Yes, it is. Okay, I'm going to lay out my other card. Let's see if it works. What did I get? Another 6. 6 and 6. Is 6 greater than 6? Oh no, I don't need this symbol anymore. You know what I need. It's time for equal power. 6 is equal to 6. Good job. You can keep on playing this game by just turning over one card. Oh, I got a 10 that time. Is 10 equal to 6? No, I got to move these symbols out. Should it be this way? Or should it be this way? What do you think? That's right. Oh my goodness, you're so smart. You're right, it does have to be this way because the alligator eats the greater number. Rum, rum, rum. 10 is greater than 6. Have fun playing today. Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to.